Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a location field on forms in QuickBooks Online so you can assign transaction to different locations like stores, sales, regions, and counties. It's gonna be very easy and simple video. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your settings in the top right corner here, and then you can go to account and settings, and then you will be in the setting page. So you can go to advanced in the left side menu here. Then you can scroll until you find categories. And as you can see, this is the track location. It's off, so we have to turn it on. You can click edit here. And then as you can see, you can turn it on here. And then you can choose the location label. So obviously we're gonna choose location, and then you can just click save. And it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.